What is up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today we want to learn how to reduce After Effects project sizes. And right before we get started, as always guys, feel free to check out Filmit.io, a resource made by creatives for creatives. Assets, plugins, you name it, we got it. Go check it out today. So you may have a main composition like the one I have on screen, and you want to reduce the project, as in remove everything in the project that doesn't tie to this composition to make your project file smaller and more manageable. Typically in After Effects, this is how you do it. File, Dependencies, Reduce Project. Now, when we click this, it automatically runs. As you can see, things got deleted right here, but it gives us a warning. Items referenced only by expressions are not preserved. Really annoying if I have a composition that is important via expressions that is not tied to my main comp. So what do we do? How do we fix this? I'm using Filmit Reducer. Filmit Reducer is a plugin that gets around this problem. It does the same thing as what the normal After Effects things does, but it can save your expressions if you know how to use it. Let's pretend we have a new folder here called Expressions. And anything we want to put in this folder will be saved. The comp 1 and 2 are expression tied comps that tie to this main composition that save all of our expressions. So Filmit Reducer with this plugin opened up, go to main comp. Let's say we want to delete everything that has nothing to do with random shapes, which is main comp, but our keep folder, it's expressions. Just drop down, find the folder you want to keep, and then hit reduce project. It gives us a nice little warning. We're about to delete 16 unused items. Deleted 16 unused items. Now, if you really like this plugin, comment dope down below and I will send you a link. And that's it. This is what this is about. That's how you reduce a project. You can do it the old After Effects way or use a plugin like this that does it does the same thing, but a little smarter. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of the channel. And if you are new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. And don't forget to check out Filmit.io. QR code is on the screen. Plenty of digital tools and awesome assets for all you creators. Check it out today.